In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain ownership in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your GoDaddy account, what to copy, and how to complete the verification on the platform that requested it. Start by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, go to the top right, open your account menu, and choose My Products. This brings up a list of everything you own. Find the domain you want to verify and select it so you can manage its settings. Next, open the DNS settings for that domain. Look for the option labeled DNS or DNS Management. This page lists all of your DNS records. If you see a notice that your name servers point somewhere else, that means your DNS is hosted with another provider. In that case, you'll need to view or manage the TXT record there. Otherwise, continue in GoDaddy. On the DNS page, locate the TXT record that's used for verification. It's usually tied to the root host, often shown as @ or a specific host your service gave you. The important part is the TXT value. Carefully copy the exact TXT value you see. Make sure you don't include extra spaces, quotes, or stray characters. Copy it exactly as it appears. If you recently added or edited this TXT record, keep in mind it can take some time to propagate across the internet. With that value copied, go to the service or platform that asked you to verify your domain. Look for the option labeled Verify Domain Ownership. Click it to open the verification prompt. In the field provided, paste the TXT value you just copied from your DNS records. Double-check that what you've pasted matches exactly. If there's already a value there, confirm it's identical to what's published in your DNS. When you're confident it's correct, click Verify. The system will check your DNS for that TXT value. This may complete within a few minutes, but depending on DNS propagation, it can take longer. If it doesn't verify right away, wait a bit and try again. You can also confirm the record is live using a public DNS lookup tool. If it still fails, verify you chose the right domain, that the record is under the correct host, and that you don't have conflicting or duplicate TXT records. That's it. You've navigated to your GoDaddy DNS, copied the correct TXT value, pasted it into the verification prompt, and finalized the check. Thanks for watching and happy verifying.